Hello everybody. Do you eat eggplant, guys? Do you eat eggplant? Me, I eat eggplant sometimes. So, ayan guys, oh. Hello everybody. Dito na tayo. Ang init ko sa akin. It's very hot in my kitchen. Ano nangyari sa kanya? Anong nangyari? Ay! No, don't touch me. No, baby, no. What are you doing, Victor? Ay, ano. You want to eat rice? Opo na dito, dali. Eat rice, baby girl. It's very hot. I'm sorry because I live. Hello, Sergio Natividad. It's okay. Thank you so much for coming back again. Carmen, wow, para kang bata ng mga kusinera. Kusinera. Hello, Herbie. Good morning to you. Yeah, what family is the last one? Hello, Herbie. Good morning to you. Hello everybody. Pa-shout out naman guys. Miguel, shout out Termidelo from Yambo, Saudi Arabia. Dito may nakibibit. Yeah, it's always hot. Always very hot here in Philippines. Akin na pera na. Huwag ka na dyan. Titignan ko na yun. Wait lang guys. Ayun tayo. Check tayo ng ating niluluto. Huwag mo na yun yung...